The future of personal aviation is taking shape. RayHawk is an advanced eVTOL concept designed to revolutionize personal flight, bringing freedom, efficiency, and safety into the skies. Designed with an ultra-light aluminum frame, RayHawk aims to combine aerodynamics, stability, and efficiency in a compact, high-performance aircraft. RayHawk is planned to feature 8 high-efficiency brushless motors and carbon fiber propellers, ensuring smooth, stable flight. With integrated LiDAR and GPS, it will offer real-time navigation and obstacle detection. The control system is being designed for simplicity, featuring a dual joystick interface, a touchscreen flight display, and customizable flight modes to make piloting as intuitive as possible. RayHawk's vision includes 8 12S LiPo batteries, targeting an estimated 27 minutes of flight. Safety remains a priority, integrating ADS-B aircraft detection, redundant circuits, and an emergency landing system for enhanced security. Projected to reach 62 miles per hour with a maximum altitude of 2,000 feet, RayHawk's lightweight 242-pound frame is being developed for agility and precise maneuverability. RayHawk is more than just a concept. It's a bold vision for the future of personal mobility. We are working to bring this innovation to life. Be part of the next aviation breakthrough.